I'm at the Heart Failure Association meeting in Vienna, where a lot of digital health initiatives are being presented. And that range right across the spectrum, from wearables on p-health type things like Fitbits and wearable textiles that we can use to collect data from individuals, all the way through to very high-tech implantable technologies such as CardioMEMS, for example. We've had several sessions exploring the evidence base for digital transformation of the landscape, how challenging it has been to try and establish the value proposition for this, and also how to make sense of data streams. There is a potential to get a huge amount of data from all of your patients. It's in the cloud, you could look at it all the time on everybody. It's just not manageable. So how do you identify true signal from noise? How do you make sure the person can actually act on that and only acts when they have to? And that's where we've learned a lot over the years. So it's been very nice in Vienna to see all the evidence laid out in front of delegates and a lot of discussion about reimbursement, about how to adopt the technologies and for which patient phenotype. So that's been very useful discussion. We're also looking to the future where there's more mobile health and apps for patients, and patients are not really patients anymore. They're consumers of mobile technologies, and they expect to be able to access their records and expertise from wherever they are. And I don't think that's a bad thing to expect. So the whole world is changing. It's not about location now, it's about who looks at the data, what kind of data, how do we do that safely, how do we get reimbursement for that. And at the Heart Failure meeting, we're covering the whole of those different topics. The ESC, the European Society of Cardiology, is very interested in this area. It's just established a new digital committee that I chair. We're involving lots of our members in moving forward right across the ESC and the associations in getting to grip with the agenda, working with those developing technologies, working with regulators, thinking about the reimbursement issues and the clinical training for staff. So all of that is happening, and at the ESC in Munich at the end of August, there'll be a large digital area. There'll be a huge display of new technologies. There'll also be quite a lot of sessions about the evidence, lots of opportunity for discussion. And we're also revamping the website, so escardio.org will actually have many more digital resources. So it's an exciting time for digital technology. We shouldn't be scared about it. Let's discuss the evidence, let's discuss how to change practice, and it'll be for the benefit of our patients, for future patients, and also for ourselves. It's not easy, but we need to do it.